Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to unbox Noriko HARLOW, and the color is Razberry Ice R. Now, I am wearing my Raquel Welch Upstage in Deepest Ruby, and I thought we would compare these colors to see how they are similar and how they are different. So again, this is HARLOW. I purchased this with my own funds from wigstudio1.com. I can't wait to see it. This has been so popular, and I thought, I want to try it in a different color. So I ordered this Razberry Ice. So let's have a look at it. Unbox it. Y'all, if you're not following me on Instagram, please go over there and do that. I have totally different wig content every day on Instagram. So Crazywiglady on Instagram. All right, look how pretty this is. Ooh, I can't wait to try this on. Let's take the net off and see what it looks like now. Wow, this is pretty. Just out of the box, I'm looking. Yeah, this is a little lighter. Deepest Ruby is really just that. Deepest, darkest red. Deepest, darkest ruby red. This one has some blonde highlights. It has this base of a medium auburn. Making sure you see that. And then it's copper and strawberry blonde highlights running through it. Wow, what a beautiful color. Okay, let's see what the cap. Basic cap. Open wefted. It has pull adjusters, and it has a non-extended felt nape, and there's a lot of stretch in here, so we'll see how this fits. Yeah, long, kind of shaggy. I like those these shaggy styles that flip out on the end. I have several different ones from different brands. I like that look. I think it's fun. It always has a lot of movement on these styles that are long and flippy like this. It'll have a lot of movement on there. And this one looks like it has a lot of layers. And wow, this color is just beautiful. I'm just looking at the highlighting. It's a little more blonde. Well, yes, exactly. It's very, see it right through here. So it's highlighted around the face more and then less through the rest. So they're giving you that highlight around the face, which always is flattering. It kind of makes your face pop. So I like it that they're doing that. I can see it in the front as well. So let's try this on. Again, this is Upstage in Deepest Ruby. And you know, Upstage has been my favorite wig for the last 2 years running. However, this year there are 2 other contenders. And so I will show you those at the end of the year. And I will tell you what I have chosen for my favorite of the year then. All right, let's try on Noriko HARLOW. Like I said, this has been really popular. I always just give mine a good shake. And let's see how the fit is. Okay, fits really snug, really snug. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fits tight. Now, all right, let's see. A lot of hair here, a lot of permatease here. If permatease is not your thing, this is not your wig, because this has a lot of permatease. And I would expect it to. It is a closed cap. Like I said, there's no mono feature here. But on these Noriko styles with these basic caps, they just about always have a lot of permatease. So that is something I would expect. Now this tag is right here. I may have to just take this off and take that off so we can get a look at this. Now, okay. It's a little in my face. Not a fan of that, as you know. Now this bang is 7½ inches. So it's a long bang. You could trim this bang if you wanted to. You could trim this up, but I think just sweeping it to the side is gonna work. I'll probably use a little spray here. I'll show you that. The crown on this one's 11 inches and the nape is 9.4 inches. So again, lots of movement. And this color, love this color. I love the reds. I have fallen in love with the reds. I had that Raquel Welch Deepest Ruby. Now let's look at that again, and you can see the difference in these two. Just want to make sure you get just kind of a comparison to show you how they are similar and how they are different. And this one, of course, has much more highlighting. This one does not. Yeah, both gorgeous red colors. Now, like I said, I would probably just spray this off my face a little bit. Again, this is basic cap, so there's no lace. But just by spraying that off my face just a little bit, I can get that, keep that from just flopping down. And that is much better. Just that little bit I just did, that feels so much better already. I like these sweeping bangs here. Like I said, they're 7.5 inches on this bang. Now, if you like a longer style, not everyone does. And again, I am not saying this is good on me. I'm not saying it looks good on me. This channel is about you. You know that. This channel is not about me. This channel is like, what are you looking for? Have you seen this wig? Did you want to try this wig? What are the features of this wig? That's what I'm trying to show you on my channel. I would get my hands in here and rough this up a little bit. Just like this. Spray some water on it. Why not? Just because that's what I do. I like to separate the fibers. I want to see them. I want to see the layers. And just by that little bit, I can do that. I can achieve that. And I loosen it up. Loosen these fibers away from the cap. Get your hands in there. Really loosen them up. That will give them movement. They won't look fixed. And yeah. Y'all can see why everybody likes this wig. I like the length. I think this would lend itself. Let's see. This tag is not in a good place there, but yeah, you could wear this in a ponytail. Definitely get this in a ponytail easily. That's nice. Let's see if I could wear a headband with this. Sure I can. Again, lots of permatease here, just for your information there. I always like to let you know that. Easily wear this with a headband. Not so much wearing this off your face due to there's no lace feature. However, I think you could probably pull it down and behind your ear there like that and get that sleek look right around the face if you would like. Now the coverage, let me show you the coverage. Here's my bow hair right here, and the ear tab is fitting me right above my ear. See my bow hair a little bit right there. You can always use some shading powder if you would like to shade that in. I do sometimes, but seldom. It doesn't bother me. This falls down enough. I don't think you would ever even see that or notice that. But yeah, these are so pretty. Wow. Let's look at it outside. Okay, so here's a close-up look at the cap of Harlow. Again, basic, lots and lots of permatease here. Closed ear tabs with stays, again, pull adjusters, and a non-extended felt nape. And there's a good bit of stretch here. And again, this did fit me snug with my 21¼ inch head circumference. And look at this color though, Raspberry Ice. That is beautiful with this highlighting, again, around the face. Fun, shaggy style, longer style. Really beautiful, beautiful highlighting. And wow, I love the red in this. Thank you so much for joining me today and having a look at Noriko, Harlow, and Razberry Ice R. What a beautiful color. I really hope you enjoyed this. I love this color. And I hope you enjoyed that little color comparison to Deepest Ruby. Again, join me over on Instagram and please subscribe to this channel so you never miss an upload. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.